ADC 940. Party ADP 925. Party APC 95274. 95274. Party APGA Apuga 489. Party APM 568. Party APP 973. Party LP, BP. Party BP 137. Party LP 22224. 22,224. 22224. Party NNPP 335. Party NRM 2258. 2258. Party PDP 302 614. 302 614. Party SDP 46981. 46981. Party YP Steve Opo 644. Parties ZLP 338. Total valid votes 483 934. 483 934.
Microphone now.
Are they shameful now?
Rejected votes. 10670. 10670. Total votes cast. 964. 494. 604. 494 604. Thank you very much. So, Cheryl, come and come. Go ahead.
Can you show us the total? Can you show us the parties and the?
Yeah, please project everything. Project the entire table. The entire table, please.
In course of this collation, the various returning officers from the three local governments announced cancellation from different.
No. Go back back to the total.
From different works. But so far, on what you did not announce
The
the
total.
That is not the directive from INEC, please. We are strictly following the registration, the form, the
Go ahead. Now, everything don't finish. 496,800 based on what has been declared. What is on INEC quota? Let it be recorded that what is on the quota is 456,222. A clear case of overvoting of 46,000 something. And you have not made it known to everybody here and Nigerians.
I just presented the result, please.
The result that you presented.
What the party agents to come and tell, please? Party A. Party A. Party A. Party AA. Party AAC. Party ADC. Party ADP. Party APC. Party Afghan. Party APM. Party APP. That's what we call it now. Every Monday.
Let's start with Party A. Wait, let's do it so that now we sign it there. Party A. Party A. Party AA. AAC.
I was telling you to see this. He cannot live here now. He cannot live here now because the agents are signed. And the man will make a closing remark. I cannot leave. This place is a small place. It is a small place. It's a small place. It's a small place.
Party NRM. Party NRM. Party PDP. SDP, Wike, ZLP.
Thank you very much. Let me have the original and give the security agents their copies. So you can do that. Huh?
Worship.
now. Stop the bus, stop the bus, stop the bus.
One, two.
Please sit down, please sit down. Please sit down.
No, okay. And here is the declaration of the result. Here is the declaration of the result. Here is the declaration of the result. I, Professor Akpofure Wimruke, Vice Chancellor, Federal University of Petroleum Resources, hereby declared that I am the returning officer for the 2023 Rivers State Governorship election held on the 18th of March 2023. That the election was contested. The candidates received the following votes. Number 1, Lulu Briggs of Political Party A, 7155. George Daware of Political Party AA, 1693. Daba Obele of AAC and 386. I think they should be taken out. Ibrahim of ADC 940. Fangel Victor of ADP have 925. Tonyeko of APC have 95274. Beke Ogochukwu of Abga 489. White Fine of APM 568. Borogbosi APP have 973. Iyagba Tekena has 137. Itobo Beatrice of the Labour Party have 22,224, 22,224. Agowo Charles Ndubisi of NMPP have 335. Jack Rich of NRM scored 2258. Fubara Siminaliayi of PDP have 302614. Abe Magnus has 46981. Winike Briggs has 664. Kwane Laye has 338. That Fubara Siminaliayi of the PDP, having scored the highest vote and have the 25% spread with satisfactory margin of lead, is here as required, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, give me your earpiece. Okay, all right. The final result for the governorship election in Rivers State for the 2023 governorship election has just been declared by the state coalition officer, Professor Akpofure Rim Ruke, and the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Siminaliayi Fubara, has just been announced as the winner of the election with over, I'm trying to put the figures together now, with 302,614 votes to beat his closest rival, Architect Tony Cole of the All Progressives Congress, who pulled a total of 95,274 votes. It has been a very long wait for Rivers people to know who will champion their cause for another 4 years from the 29th of May 2023. And I strongly believe that in the streets of Port Harcourt right now, there will be celebrations and jubilations, because this is just one thing that everyone looks forward to every 4 years. For the current administration led by Barrister Nyesom Wike, I can imagine what is happening in a government house right now, clinking of glasses of wine to celebrate this victory that did not come real easy. A whole lot is expected from the governor-elect right now, talking about Siminaliayi Fubara. He needs to sit down and try to plan to get his team together so that they can work and how to pilot the affairs of Rivers State. I'll try and be talking to the state party agent of the All Progressives Congress, Chief Michael Wike, who will be telling us, sharing his thoughts with us on what he thinks about this whole exercise and what his party will be doing afterwards. And just standing beside me right now is the DG of the Architectonical Campaign Organization, Chief Michael Wike, who is also the APC state agent in the governorship coalition exercise. He will be sharing his thoughts on his impression of the whole exercise that went down here and what his party will be doing after now.
Thank you, Mr. Peter. We've come to the end of the coalition and the result has been declared. Like I said earlier, the election is not an election. It's hijackocracy. That was what we witnessed in Rivers State. And so my party will be challenging this result. It's not acceptable to us. Thank you.
All right, we just heard from the state party agent of the All Progressives Congress. I'll try and also have the state party agent of the People's Democratic Party to also share a thought with us, Chief Kingsley Chukwu, who will also be telling us what his impression is about this exercise that have his governorship candidate, Siminaliayi Fubara, being announced as the governorship elect to champion the cause of the Rivers State in another 4 years. While I wait for him, talking about Barrister Kingsley Chukwu to come talk to us, we have the state party agent of the Social Democratic Party, Moses Salvation. He will also tell us what he thinks about the whole process that went down here.
Well, as you can see, the process has not been easy. Started since Wednesday last week from CBN, and we've been on it till now. So far, it has not been easy. We cannot say what has been declared here today reflects the wish of Rivers people or reflects what transpired on the field. What happened here is the wish, of a particular person, and has been so far carried out. And we as a political party, we are rejecting this result. We are not accepting it because it's not the will of Rivers people, but an individual. And as such, whatever decision the party will take after now solely lies on the party leadership. And I want to say that I'm disappointed. INEC performed below expectations of Nigerian and Rivers people. I'm so disappointed. I'm sad. I'm very, very sad. This is not the kind of country that we dream of. This is not the kind of state that we wish to have. I'm so sad. I'm disappointed.